What's going on, everybody? Today is something cool. I've waited 8 weeks for this to come in. This isn't tech, it kind of is, but it's very exciting, really cool technology. So I wanted to show it off to you guys. It's in this box right there and that box right there. And it weighed 175 pounds. Getting it down into this basement was a pain. But I'm gonna open it up. We're gonna show you guys what it looks like. We're gonna put it together, and I might even give it a quick little spin. So check it out. The 21.5-inch Bowflex Velocore, new stationary bike from Bowflex. It tilts as you ride it, very much like a bike. So stay tuned. We're gonna open it up. I'm gonna put this on the tripod and we'll get it started. So first things first, this thing is big. This box is huge. So I'm gonna take my time opening it, but it is the 21.5-inch Bowflex Velocore, the brand new stationary bike from Bowflex. It's got some really great features. It's got a really cool program behind it that works. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it open. So this first box is actually a screen that comes along with it. We opted to skip the professional installation because it was an additional $200, $299 I believe. But based on what I've seen so far, it should be relatively easy to install. So looks like in this box also is some additional hardware, as well as the 3-pound weights that come with it. So there's the weight, 3 pounds right there, and pretty standard for a weight. You're not gonna get much different. Comes with some hardware. I'm gonna get these instructions open and we can open up the big box. Now here's something that I did notice right away, is that there's loose screws that were just in here. So I'm hoping that this is open and has everything that we need in it. And there's the hole that was in the bag that these screws came out of. Alright, so a thank you, a do not return, the instructions in Spanish, the instructions in French, and the instructions in English, which will be the ones that we're going to be using. Let's get the rest of this stuff out. Now the other really cool thing about this is that it does come with the heart rate monitor for when you're riding. So that's what this is right here. There's the screen. And of course it's upside down. Let's get it out here. So that is the 21.5-inch screen for the bike. It's got your connections in the back that will connect into the bike. We'll do that as probably the last step. All right, let's work on getting the big box open. So I just want to show you guys real quick what it looks like inside the box when you take it out. So pretty well packaged, styrofoam all around, fairly well taped. It's going to come apart in a couple different pieces, but we'll be able to put it together, I think, with just a few screws. Seat post with all the adjustments on it. Appears to be the TV and phone mount, which is damaged, and we'll be contacting Bowflex about that. You don't pay this much for an item like this and it be damaged out of the box. Bike seat, which is really a pretty standard seat. There's not much to a seat, but you'll see that it will, attach to that. Here's one base with the wheels. Works fairly well. Straightforward. Pedals. Handlebars. Water bottle holder. Additional adjustment for handlebars, I think. Weight holders. Second base piece. And finally, the bike itself. So let's get it out of the plastic and put it together. right, time to clean up the mess just a little bit so we can figure out where we're at. All right, guys, I'm going to time lapse the installation of this. So hang tight. I'll be back when it's done. You guys get to see the finished product, and I'll tell you how installation went. All right, well, there you guys have it, the Bowflex Velocore. So I got it fully installed, put together, and it went together real smooth. And I am extremely happy with how it turned out. I don't know if I have really any recommendations as to any improvements. It went real smooth. The only thing I can say is probably use your own screwdriver for the screws on the back of the TV. It was a little bit hard, and I think I might have stripped one or two with the screwdriver that they gave me. But all in all, I think it's a great product. You guys are going to see me riding this. I'm going to give a full review of the software behind it. I'm going to give a full review of the bike itself. And I am excited to have this in the house now that it's starting to get cold. And I think it's going to be a game changer. So very pleased with this. One last thing that I want to show you is how it actually works with the way that it tilts. So it's got this button here, and you push that down, and now you can see that the whole bike tilts. So as you ride, you can get a pretty good tilt. Once you're done, pull that up and it locks back in place. And you also have your adjustable resistance there. So great features there. Fully adjustable seat, forward, backwards, up and down, as well as adjustable handlebars with this knob here. And you can adjust it how you like. So thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Comment below what stationary bike you guys use at home, if you guys would be interested in getting the new Bowflex Velocore. I'll see you guys later. Take care.